Hey guys, what's up? Shandip here. Welcome to my channel. We all use multiple email IDs from different domains. And to check all those emails, what we do, we log in multiple websites and we check our emails. Today I am going to share you one tip using which you will be able to configure all of your emails in a single Gmail ID and you will be able to check all of your emails from a single sign-on. You just need to log in your Gmail ID and you will be able to see all of your emails. So let me show you how you can do that.
So here I have Google homepage open, and if I click on Gmail, it will open my Gmail account, right? So once you will be inside your Gmail account, if you follow my mouse, there is a gear icon in the top right. If you click on that, it will open a pane in the right side of your page. There, click on this See All Settings. It will open a new page where all Gmail related settings will be there. There, if you follow my mouse and you can choose this option, accounts and import. There you will be getting certain options, and one is check email from other accounts, and there is one option add an email account. If you click on that, it will give you a prompt where you need to type your email address from where you wanted to import email on this particular Gmail account. So let me type one of the email and click on next. So what it will do, it will now give you two of the options. First one is the option we are going to opt for, link accounts with Gmailify. So this is at Google term and using which you will be able to get all those emails within Gmail only. And let me click on next. In the next screen, it will ask for the user ID and password of your email from where you wanted to import all those emails. So let me click on next, and then I should be putting password, and then let me click on next again. Now it's asking for the permission, that whatever the permissions are required, read it and check it. If you are fine, then click on agree. In the next screen, it will be giving you a confirmation that yes, this has been configured, and there you just need to click on close. Once this is done, then you will be able to go to your inbox and you should be able to see those emails here. You can see 3 emails which are new. Earlier there was no 100 ml, however now there are 3. So this is the way you can configure any of the other email ID in your single Gmail account. And now onwards you need to only check one account where you will be getting all those emails. Once this is configured, the next question comes, how you are going to determine that from which account this mail came. That is a very important thing, or else you need to open that email every time to understand the source of that email. So let me do one thing. If I click any of the email and then I go to these 3 dots and create a filter from here. If I click on this, filter message like this, and it will give you some of the options. Now it is asking that from which account it came. I don't want that. I need to mention the to address, which means if you have configured your Yahoo Mail, you need to type your Yahoo Mail address here. So whatever the emails will be marked to that address, those will be reflecting here. Now I created this particular filter. In the next step, it will ask for the action. First one was the criteria. Now next is the action. Here you can select apply the level. So you may create a new level here. If I create on this particular button, that is new level, and if I mention Yahoo Mail and then click on create, it will create a level. You can see in the left part of the page, this Yahoo email is available. Now before I click on create filter, you can see it's giving an option that also apply filter to 4 matching messages. So if you click on that and click on create filter, what it will do, it will move all those emails which came from that Yahoo email ID to a separate filter. And if I go back to inbox, now you will be able to see now there is a demarcation that these came from Yahoo email, which will help you to separate it out. Now another option I wanted to show you here. Let me zoom it a bit. And if you click on this particular 3 dots and go to label color and you choose a different color here, you will also be able to see those emails properly. And this will be very easy to understand from which source this email came. So in case you have multiple email accounts, maybe a Gmail, non-Gmail, whatever it is, you can configure in this way And after you customize those view, level, and level color, you will be able to understand the source of the email also. And you will be able to check all those emails using a single login.
Hopefully this particular tip was helpful and you will be able to make use of it. In case you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing to my channel in case you wanted to see similar content in future. Thank you for your time. Bye bye for now.